If you love aesthetic room decor, then you need to watch this. Hello everyone, welcome to Crafty Makeover. So this flower pot actually 2 years old and I made it using newspaper, but now it is completely damaged. So I thought, why not give it a cute makeover instead of throwing it away. Firstly, I made paste using wall putty, glue and some water. This step is super important because it covers all damaged parts and make the pot look fresh again. Then I painted bottom border of the pot with golden color. After that, I apply varnish to give the pot a shiny and smooth finish. Next come my favorite part, the bow. I used clay to make this cute bow. Paste the bow with foam and then painted it pink to match the aesthetic look. And finally, here is the final look.
सुंदरी सुंदरी तुझं नाव काय आहे तुझं गाव काय आहे ग सुंदरी सुंदरी तुझं.
That's all for today. Thank you for watching this video.